Say it. How you doing? I am Premiere. So here I am, out at the scene of another nightmarish job, and what on Sam Hell's Earth happened here, Batman? What could have possibly happened? Well, you're gonna love this one, folks. Town of Plymouth, Massachusetts. Says, hey, we got some cracks. Company says, oh yeah, we can fill cracks on a tennis court. So they come out here with their hot rubber, little pour pot, and they fill all the cracks. And people start coming up here, and the ball's sticking to it, and things are sticky, and people go, hey, what the hell did you do? And the guy goes, oh, what do you mean? What do you mean? Got some cracks in the asphalt. I filled them. That's what you wanted, wasn't it? Yeah. No. We need you to get this off immediately. This is not going to work. Okay. Let me bring my mini miller in here. Let me just grind off everything. Do 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 do. All right, we're out of here. What'd you do? What'd you do? No. No, this isn't gonna work. This isn't gonna work. Get out of here. So, I attention because not everybody can fix tennis courts. And that's my point. Just hire us to fix your tennis court. Just hire us. I will come to you. I don't really care where you are. If you want to pay me, I will come there and fix your tennis court. Now, you may say, I watch this guy, I've seen this guy on YouTube and TikTok. Every time I search tennis court repair, I run into this guy, and I'm watching videos, and it turns out to be this guy. Just hire me. Wouldn't it just be so much easier if you just hired me? These people wish that they hired me right now, and they are going to hire me to come fix all this next spring. But you could be them. You could be stuck with somebody that doesn't know what they're doing. Yeah. You could just hire me right now. You could jump to the next video on how to fix your own tennis court, and it's probably going to be one of my videos, and you're going to watch what I'm doing, and you're going to say, oh, that looks kind of easy. But at the end of the day, it would be just the easiest thing would just be to hire me and just let me come fix it and just be done with it. And you don't wind up with shit like this. What is this? So that's where I'm going. That's where I'm at. Okay? Don't wind up with whatever this is. Hire a pro.